Think hydroponic farming is expensive? What if I told you that you can start with just 5,000 rupees? Using the NFT hydroponic system, you can grow fresh vegetables and even start selling them. Let's break it down. Hydroponics is the future of farming. It doesn't need soil, uses 90% less water, and gives higher yields in less space. Whether you want fresh homegrown veggies or a profitable side business, this is the best way to start. The best and cheapest hydroponic setup? The NFT, Nutrient Film Technique, system. It's better than Kratky because it uses continuous nutrient flow, which helps plants grow faster and healthier. Here's exactly what you need and the cost breakdown. PVC pipes to build NFT channels, water pump and reservoir, net pots, seeds and hydroponic nutrients, miscellaneous, pH meter, measuring cup, tubing. It's simple. Cut PVC pipes for channels, connect them with a water pump, place net pots inside, add the nutrient solution, and let the system run. Now, let's talk about making money. Say you grow lettuce. Each head sells for 30 rupees. With just 100 plants, you can earn 3,000 rupees every month. Once you make profits, reinvest in larger NFT hydroponic systems and grow more crops. Want to master hydroponics? Get our Modern Hydroponic Certificate course. It covers everything you need to start and grow a hydroponic business. And if you need quick crop growing guides, check out our hydroponic cards. Visit MaximumCultivator.com. Follow us for more hydroponic farming information.